Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I think I found the perfect everyday wig for you guys, and this wig is from EvaWigs.com, and it is this really cute 5x5 inch closure unit. So it's not a lace front. You guys know with lace fronts it goes from ear to ear, but this is just a closure unit. So it is an HD lace, and this is my first time getting the HD lace from Eva's Wigs, and I've heard so much about it. So I'm really excited to actually put this on. It did come pre-plucked, but I went ahead and plucked it a little bit more, you guys. It's a closure unit, you guys. So this is what the inside looks like. You just get the closure part, and this is 5 inches from here to here, and then 5 inches going back. And then it just has the sides like this that kind of just lay on your side area right here. It also came with adjustable straps. I don't know what I did with them. Oh, so they're entangled in the little net that it came in, but I am going to add those on because I want to do this as a glueless unit today, because for every day you don't want to have to like keep tacking stuff down or worry about things getting crunchy. You just want to be able to put this thing on and go. Okay, so I did go ahead and re-bleach the knot just a little bit because they only had the maybe like front 2 inches bleached and the part wasn't that bleached. So I did go ahead and re-bleach it. But why am I moving this here, y'all? I'm gonna go ahead and put this on so we can see what this lace looks like, because when I put it like this, that looks freaking crazy, right? Look how good that looks. So let's put it on and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's gonna melt down so good. Look at that. These is not even my favorite scissors. These are surgical scissors, you guys. They came in the first aid kit, but I'm about to use these. Okay, so I'm going to use this as a glueless unit today, you guys. So I am going to be using my wig grip.
I know he's bad for me. He just wants me like he's attached to me. So what's standing in? Oh.
You guys, so that looks so freaking good already. Pull it back just a little bit. This is what the sides look like. So I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse so I can get it to lay a little bit flatter.
He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure.
So this is what it looks like, you guys. I am going to cut it.
I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I fall for his eyes when he's staring into mine. Know he's bad for me. So what's standing in our way? And he's out of my league. I feel insecure, but I hope this is real, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself.
So I'm taking my Lovely Bees Edge Control.
No, yeah. So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. Should I let him
added my silicone strip to it, y'all. But this looks so freaking good. Like, it is not tacked down. But yeah, y'all, look at this unit. It's freaking bomb. Like, what? Perfect everyday unit. Don't have to worry about nothing. Swing the head around, side to side. It is not sliding up, down, back. Like, I'm good, y'all. I'm freaking good, okay? The only thing is this little part right here sometimes peeks out, so you kind of got to keep, like, pushing it back and pulling the hair over it. But other than that, look how flat it's laying, y'all. Look at the freaking hairline, okay? Look at that. I'm so excited. I'm about to go take my passport pictures and meet up with my best friend because she works over there, so we're gonna go to lunch. But yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other videos that you want to see, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section. I'm breathing hard from whipping my head back and forth. But yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. What does this look like in the back? In the back, though. In the back, though. Is it even? Is it even? Is it even, ho? In the back, though. It looks pretty even to me. Okay, so I gotta even it out just a little bit more, but this is the back. It's just a little too long right up in here. But other than that, she looks good.